We're here at the Lebanon Area Fair and it's community night, and we're building 150 feet long, the world's largest Lebanon Bologna sandwich.
We're looking at 90 loaves that we produced, and they are 2.5 pound loaves, and they're 2.5 feet long. We produced it in 2 days, handmade all the loaves. It took 12-hour days to produce all the bread that we're going to be consuming today. We want to build it together as one unit, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is, after it's open and it's exposed, we're going to lay down cheese on the bottom slice, okay? Line that up. Then after that's done, you're going to put a single layer of bologna. No condiments, no lettuce, no tomato, just cheese, bologna, and bread.
1,200 slices of seltzers, smokehouse bologna, 600 slices of provolone cheese, and fresh-made French bread from the Lebanon County CTC, the Career and Technology Center, and Chef Pathway. We've assembled the sandwich at this point, and we're waiting for our volunteers to come back and get ready to slice. We're going to have 900 slices of this sandwich, and we're going to hand it out for free to anyone here at the fair. The best part about it is that we have sold sponsorships to this sandwich, $100 per each foot. And there's 150 feet of the sandwich. So we've raised $15,000, and all of that money is going directly to the Lebanon County Christian Ministries to combat hunger in the Lebanon Valley.